Hi, I'm Megan from the Megan Scott Real Estate Team, and I'm here at our fantastic new listing at 199 Hillcrest Avenue, Unit 3, located in this charming family-friendly community of Cooksville. Welcome to this spectacular turnkey 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom townhouse with exceptionally low maintenance fees and featuring a legal walkout basement apartment. Boasting a rare floor plan that is newly renovated with move-in ready finishes, this home is perfect for families and investors alike. How about you come on in? I can't wait to show you around. Upon entering, you are greeted by a spacious foyer with a large closet. The main floor showcases modern finishes, hardwood flooring, and a bright open concept living and dining area, ideal for entertaining. The fully renovated kitchen features pot lights, a breakfast island, quartz countertops, and ample storage space. You'll also find a convenient main floor laundry room, a 2-piece bathroom, direct garage access, and fresh paint throughout. One of the standout features of this home is the exceptional pride of ownership. It has been meticulously maintained. Upstairs, the second level offers 4 generous-sized bedrooms with laminate flooring. The primary bedroom includes a walk-in closet and a fully renovated semi-ensuite bathroom. 3 additional spacious bedrooms complete this level, with the 3rd and 4th bedroom connected by a convenient Jack and Jill semi-ensuite bathroom. The lower level features a bright and spacious legal walk-out basement apartment with a separate entrance. Large windows fill the space with natural light. This suite includes an oversized bedroom, 4-piece bathroom, separate laundry, a full kitchen, living room, and a bonus area that can be used as a dining space or home office. Ideal for investors, extended family, or a nanny in-law suite, this versatile space adds tremendous value and flexibility. Lastly, you have the amenities you need right at your doorstep. Close to schools, UTM, Sheridan College, parks, and shopping with convenient access to public transit, Cooksville GO Station, as well as the QEW 427 and the 403. Don't miss out on this rare and fantastic opportunity. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and for more information on this home, please visit meganscottteam.com or give us a call at 647-232-7743.